Ho, 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 everyone!
Merry Christmas!
As long as my heart beats tonight, I will keep.
Hi, I'm Samantha.
And I'm Sarah.
And this is My Bud and Me in NYC.
So what did we do this week, Sarah? We went and saw the lights at SAKS 5th Avenue.
And Rockefeller Center. That's really where the magic is happening at Christmas.
Especially this year because the theme was Theater of Dreams.
I mean, how magical. It's our first year here in New York as residents. And of course, the theme for Christmas is theater.
It's cold! It's freezing! But we are super excited because we are about to go see the lights at SAKS 5th Avenue and the Rockefeller ice skating rink and Christmas tree! Woohoo! Woo! It's Christmas in New York! I found it! Look at the tree! It's beautiful, everyone! Look at this, you guys. They made a Lego Rockefeller Center. Wow!
Ladies and gentlemen from around the world, happy holidays to all, and welcome to SAKS 5th Avenue's Theater of Dreams.
Yay! Let's get closer. Just go on with the show. Sing that musical. Too late. It's Annie, get your gun. Okay, guys. So now the SAKS 5th Avenue has these things in the windows, and they have a new theme every year. Last year was Snow White. This year's theme is Theater of Dreams. Theater of Dreams? Is there anything more magical than theater and Christmas all at the same time?
No, but...
No, the answer is no! But I'm betting that this one is Phantom of the Opera. Oh, how exciting.
Next one is Miss Saigon.
Oh, Elwood.
Frozen.
Oh, yeah. Frozen.
Wicked.
You're right. That's coming to Broadway 2019, February 14th.
Oh, this one is awesome.
Ooh, everything's coming up roses. Gypsy.
Again.
I love theater and I love Christmas. I think that was probably one of my happiest moments since moving to New York City. I kid you not.
Wow.
I was so happy.
It's true, it looks like a movie. And we were in it.
Excitement number 2 of the week was the sweet family that I babysit for had 5 concert tickets that they were like, hey, we're ending up not needing to go. Samantha, do you want these concert tickets for free? And I was like, heck yeah! We saw Melanie Penn and the Gregory Brothers.
It was a really cool night because at first Melanie spoke about the Christmas story of Jesus. So we got all the nativity story lined up. And then the Gregory Brothers took traditional Christmas songs and made them into their own new sound, which was really fun.
And last but not least, we had the awesome idea to do a really fun service project that we kind of created ourselves, which was really exciting, and we hope maybe we can inspire you to do something similar in your community. We baked a ton of chocolate chip cookies. I mean, upwards of 200 cookies, and went and stuck them all over our apartment building. A really fun way to kind of spread some Christmas cheer with those around us.
Singing loud for everyone to hear.
Yeah, we did sing.
Hi friends, so we are super excited. We spent all day baking some cookies and we made these super cute little cookie bags that we're gonna go hang on the doorknobs of all of our neighbors here in our apartment building to spread some Christmas cheer. Woo! Check them out. What does Sarah have?
Here we go.
Special surprise, everyone. Dun 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 dun.
Wow!
With a picture by yours truly.
Wish we had Santa hats to make this more exciting. Check them out.
Ready? Let's go. Here we go.
We're starting at the first floor, so we'll let you know how good. I'm nervous. Why are you nervous? Because if someone comes out. So then we say we made you a gift. Okay, have it. It's like Santa in a sack. But Santa looks like Sarah, and the sack looks like a Trader Joe's bag.
Our work here is done for tonight, folks.
We did it. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.
We were little elves.
Okay, on the count of 3, give us your best elf pose.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Comment below who had the better elf pose. Christmas is coming and the goose is getting fat.
Let's do it, bud.
1, 2, 3, 4. We're keeping it. Okay, Merry Christmas.
Okay, Merry Christmas.
Hey, bud, what are you doing? Bud, what are you doing?
This piece of gum in that crap.
Okay.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Olympics 2020.
2020 Tokyo.
It's my bet at me in NYC.
We pulled a little bit of a prank on
You bud.
Samantha, and
You're on the F. She's also on the F.
but guess where?